everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
The Loon.
The Loon.
And folks, today we are going absolute pure comfort.
Yes.
We're doing kind of like a mac and cheese, but
it's German
it.
style.
It's German. We're going to do it with my homemade Spaetzle.
So let's make Spaetzle. We start off with 2 cloves of garlic that we've cut the tops off. We're going to take a brush and we're going to apply some extra virgin olive oil. Don't worry if some of the cloves fall apart, they'll all roast together evenly. Now we're going to wrap this up in some foil. Meanwhile, we've preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and now we have 2 wrapped cloves. Those are going to roast for about 50 to 60 minutes. Let them cool, and then that roasted garlic is just going to squeeze right out of those cloves. Oh, the smell of roasted garlic in your kitchen is heavenly. Now, in a medium pot, over medium heat, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And to that, we're going to add that roasted garlic. Then, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of fresh basil chopped, a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley chopped, a 1/2 cup of whole milk, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Then we're going to take our whisk and we're going to whisk it and blend it until it becomes slightly thickened. Then we'll add that to a separate bowl, and to this, we're going to add 3 eggs that have been lightly beaten. We're going to incorporate it all together with a whisk until it's fully combined. Now in a large bowl, we've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour that we've created a well in the center with our hand. We'll pour in the egg mixture, and then, using a fork, working from the outside in, start to incorporate the flour into the egg mixture. You can continue to do this until a batter begins to form. It takes 1 to 3 minutes, but before long, you're going to have the most beautiful, luxurious Spaetzle dough. Now, take your Spaetzle maker or a colander with large holes, and using a wooden spoon, place this over a pot of boiling water. Now be very careful, this may take 2 people to do this, and start to push it back and forth. The Spaetzle will just eventually start to fall through those holes and into the hot water. It literally only takes about 2 minutes for the Spaetzle to cook, and when it's done, they will float to the top and you'll have perfectly made Spaetzle.
So doesn't that look amazing? And it's so easy. So let me tell you how I made it even better and made it like a mac and cheese. After I drained my Spaetzle, I got a nice large skillet, put about 3 tablespoons of butter in a hot skillet, got it almost brown, dumped that Spaetzle in there, let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes till it started to brown
Get a little brown.
And then I put it onto an oven-proof dish. I got some Emmentaler cheese, which is kind of like a Gruyere.
Ooh, it's so good,
delicious.
y'all.
It's shredded. Put about a cup over that, and then stuck it in the broiler for literally about 2 minutes till it melted and became this heavenly plate of food.
Can you stop talking?
And then I sprinkled a little fresh parsley.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm moving this over to me.
You guys, I'm telling you, you got to make this. It's so.
Look at that. Oh, it's good and crispy and delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so bad at this game. I just want to eat it.
You could use a fork or a knife.
All right, I'm going in. Mmm. Mmm.
Isn't that just
that is so
killer
good.
good?
People, that's German mac and cheese.
I know, and Spaetzle, of course, is delicious by itself, just with a little oil. I mean, it's wonderful served with some bratwursts and some sauerkraut, that on the side. I mean, it's pure comfort.
I know. Now that is 100% Loon approved.
I sort of had a feeling. I always know that's going to be the case.
Well, it's mac and cheese.
I mean,
of course.
You know, and when you're doing this, you can't be dainty. The Germans would be so embarrassed of
I
it.
was dainty.
I know.
Oh, now you're completely opposite of dainty.
That's heavenly.
That is so good. That is wunderbar, once again. Now you can get this recipe and many more on howtofeedaloon.com.
That is sehr gut.
Sehr gut, mein Schatzi.
And be sure to go to all of our social media and like us and share us and tell everyone about this recipe.
Yes.
And then go out and make it yourself. Did you see how easy it was to make this?
It was so easy and interesting.
And interesting. It's easy and interesting.
Bye.
And delicious.
It's delicious.
Hey, everybody.
Hey. right now, if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right. If you get more amazing recipes like this, just click right here.
Click, subscribe,
Do it all. Just click and subscribe.